Hello world, do you hear me? My name is Shishi. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new topic. The topic name is how can you becoming fear of your public speaking. Please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. That's why you will be able to see my work content while I'll publish my basic content into my channel. And this content will be very helpful for your fear of public speaking. So this is time for let's beginning. And in this generation or in this modern world, there's people are fear of public speaking. They can't speak in front of people. This is very common question, but in this video I will sharing with you some tips. That's why you will becoming your fear of public speaking. So please stay tuned with me and watching my this kind of content and follow or subscribe my channel. So number one is people are feel shy or nervous to speak with in front of people, but this is your laziness. This is your problem because you can't start right now. That's why you can't be able to speak in English. And number first tips is start your language. Start your speaking. Whatever it is, wrong, right, or mistakes, doesn't matter. Only matter is your focus and your point and your starting point. That is the key. There is no man can change your life. Only you can change your life of this public speaking. That's why it's too much crucial and too much vital for to become a fluent public speaker. And this is high demandable skill right now. If you are doing this, or if you can do this fear of public speaking, that time your demand will high. That's why it's too much demanding. And number two is learn from your mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. When you are going to doing something better, or when you are doing to new thing, or you are learning to new thing, that time mistake is a very common issues, because mistake are proof that you are trying to do learning a new language or learning a new thing. That's why don't worry about your mistakes. Just intention will your public speaking, will your speaking. This is the key. And number three is build your confidence. Confidence doesn't build one night. Confidence will build after day by day, month by month. Just so, if you build your confidence to public speaking, first need to be your language, need to be your speaking, practicing daily, month, daily, day 5 minutes, or the 10 minutes, or 20 minutes. If you are more practice, that time you will more fluent. That is the key. And number four is practice makes a man perfect. Definitely you are heard this sentence, practice makes a man perfect. So practice your language, practice your work, and practice your English speaking journey. There is no alternative in this world. Without practice is better than anything. So practice your language. Describe yourself with practice, like a day in my life, at morning in my life, such like that. Hello everybody, good morning, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my another video. My name is Shishi. In this video I'm going to share with you a new topic. The topic name is how to become a more fear of public speaking. or how to become fluent in public speaking. So practice your language, because this practice will change your life. And number 5 is, this is the more common and this is the more crucial issues for to fear a public speaker. The 5 number tips is, record yourself in front of camera or in front of mirror. 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour, doesn't matter. You just record yourself and just fit your body language and your gesture, because your gesture is the key of public speaker. So practice and record yourself with your camera or with your mirror. After all, practice is the key, and confidence you will become when you practice. After day by day, after month by month, that time you will be more fluent in speaking English. So thank you everyone for watching my this kind of content. Next time I will connect with you within a short time. Please stay tuned with me and watching my this kind of content, and this content will be very helpful for your public speaking English and or how to become a pair of public speaking. So don't waste your time. You just continue in your work just with consistency, because consistency is the key. There is no perfect better than consistency. So this is time for why. Next time I'll connect with you within a short time. This is time for ending in this my session. Please stay connected with me and follow us, subscribe my channel until I back. Time for bye.